Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how I do a low puff. It's pretty easy and super cute and can also be converted to a low bun if the puff starts to get too frizzy for you. To see how I do it, just keep on watching. I'm starting on freshly shampooed and deep conditioned hair. I already have a leave-in conditioner in my hair. The one that I use today is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Conditioner. This is actually a rinse out conditioner that you would use after shampooing your hair, but I love using it as a leave-in. Now I'm going to start parting my hair with a rat tail comb. I have a sleek low bun tutorial here on my channel. I'm going to link it up in the right corner of this video, and I'll also link it down below in the description bar in case you want to watch it after this one. In that video, I did a side part, so I'm going to do a middle part for this one. After my part is straight, I'm just going to start spritzing my hair with more water, and then I'm brushing through to detangle. Next, I'm grabbing my nylon bristle brush and I'm going to start smoothing my hair in the general direction that I want it to lay before I start putting any gel on it. And now I'm just detangling the length of my hair again because all that smoothing at the top always creates tangles in the mid strands and the ends of my hair. Then I'm going to grab my gel of choice, which is the EcoStyler Argan Oil Gel. I usually use the olive oil version of this that comes in the green container, but I ran out, so this one will do. So I'm just going to smooth some of that onto my hair and onto my edges, and then I'm going to continue smoothing my hair with my nylon bristle brush and my hands as well. Since my hair is naturally curly, this smoothing step definitely takes a while. You don't have to brush and manipulate your hair as much as I am, but I just like for my hair to be super sleek and smooth whenever I do a low puff or a low bun. I don't worry about my edges just yet because I'm going to smooth those with a smaller brush later. After my hair is as smooth as I want it, I just secure it with a hair tie, but not too tight because that could cause breakage. So just be really careful. Okay, so now that my ponytail is in place, I'm going to smooth my edges a bit more with my little brush. Alright, so my low ponytail is good to go. Here's the back. And now I'm grabbing my satin scarf and I'm going to tie it over the smooth part of my hair to set it in place while I work on my puff. I split my ponytail in half so that I can work on one half at a time, and I'm just spritzing and brushing through so that all of the tangles are out. Then I'm grabbing a little bit more of the Shea Moisture Conditioner that I showed you earlier, and I'm just going to smooth and brush that through my section. After that, I'm going to go in with some gel and smooth and brush that through as well. After that, I'm going to repeat the same exact steps on the other half of my ponytail. Okay, so my ponytail is covered in product. Here's how it looks from the back. And now I'm going to grab my blow dryer with my DevaFuser attachment and start diffusing my curls. I'm using medium heat and high blow for this, but you could also air dry if you prefer. Once my ponytail is just about 100% dry, I take my satin scarf off and I finish diffusing with cool air to set my curls. Alright, so now that my curls are completely dry, I'm going to start fluffing my puff with my hands and fingers and also with my hair pick until my puff is as voluminous as I want it. You could also use a wide tooth comb to fluff your puff, or you don't have to fluff at all. And that's it, you guys. That's how I do my low puff. It's super cute and super easy, and if my curls start looking crazy throughout the day or throughout the days following day one, I just wrap my puff into a bun and I'm good to go. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing, and until next time, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!